5 costly mistakes to avoid before putting your house on the market. Mistake number 4 is inadequate staging. When you're getting your house ready to go on the market, I suggest that you look at your house as your product, and you're getting ready to bring your product to the market, and you want for it to appeal to as many people as possible. Once your house goes on the market, it is no longer your home. Staging is key to helping you present your house in its best light and to make it appeal to as many buyers as possible. Staging is not just renting furniture from someone. There are many things involved with staging. And staging's sole purpose is to help you get your house sold. This has been Richelle Ward with your Monday Market Minute, and I look forward to seeing you again next week.